There are a couple different ways to display guidance information within NavView: text windows, the guidance tracking window, and the offline display. This video is going to cover the guidance tracking window. To access our guidance tracking menu, we're going to select the View tab and Guidance Tracking, and you'll see a bullseye show up on the screen. The red dot here in the middle, that's the waypoint that we set up on the guidance calculation. And the red dot here on the left is the vessel that we set up. So we're showing a 218 meter range at 88-degree bearing. And if you right click this chart, you can configure it. If you had multiple guidance calculations in the system, you could select this drop down and pick the one that you wanted to track on the chart. You have a couple options in here. You can change the target point color. I'm going to change mine to red. And history point, you can choose whether to select the display checkbox or not. If that box is checked, a snail trail is going to be visible on this chart. And the length is the history, so 30 seconds. If you wanted to increase that, you could. I'm going to leave mine the same. And this show details checkbox, if you check that and click OK, it's just going to show the range and bearing up here in the top right corner. And I'm going to drag this guidance tracking tab into my 2D map display so I can run a simulation and show you guys the vehicle tracking on the chart. So you'll see our range and bearing is updating, and you'll see the snail trails visible on the chart. You also have the option to right-click the chart and save it to your computer. And then you'll see our file here. This concludes our guidance tracking video. Be sure to click the video link below covering the offline display.